I think today's meeting is the beginning of the battle, and the war has to be won. The script of Caesar and Cleopatra in Act 3 reads very beautifully. It says, when a stupid man is doing something he is ashamed of, he always declares that it is his duty. And I think Joshi is feeling by sending in this sort of an accusation, he's been doing his duty. The only way to atone this, I think the message has to be sent to Mr. Joshi that apology or no apology, he has to spend those 48 hours in jail to get that feeling of what it means to send good people to jail. One of the challenges I think we need to take on from here very, very systematically is, and I think James has set the ball rolling, is the question of political power. And I think unless ordinary citizens move into the realm of political power, we'll always have these jokers trying to rule us. And I think we need to set this right. And the first campaign we need to do as we leave from this place is to demand the removal of Mr. Joshi. I think we need to work this very, very systematically as a run-up to the assembly campaign. And I think the government will definitely listen, the political system will definitely listen, because that's a very small thing for the political establishment to do. And I think if we are geared up to this as part of a one-point agenda to work this out, to say dismiss Mr. Joshi or remove him out and get what we're talking about, a non-bureaucratic person on the RTI seat, I think the first step of the battle that we are talking about, I think this is a good situation for us, it's an opportunity for us, and I think with this type of activism that is present in this hall, that's enough numbers for us to win this battle. Can we gear up for this, sir? Yes, can we work on this? I think we need to work on this, and maybe in the next 10-15 days हमारी रणनीति को तैयार करनी पड़ेगी, किस तरह से इसको संघर्ष को इसको आगे लेना है। और मैं मानता हूं कि इनका जो बलिदान किया है 48 आवर्स का जेल में, ये व्यर्थ में जाए। और इसके लिए अगर हम यहां निर्णय लेते हैं स्पष्ट रूप से कि हम जब तक मिस्टर जोशी को नहीं हटाएंगे, जब तक उनको नहीं वहां से बर्खास्त करेंगे, हम संघर्ष की लड़ाई शुरू करेंगे। I think it's definitely possible and positive that we will win the battle. The second is George Bernard Shaw's quote to say that all progress depends on unreasonable people. I think in the midst of us, people who are sitting on the dais, people who went to jail, and all of you sitting down here are definitely unreasonable. I think I'm the most reasonable amongst the unreasonable here. And I think it's very, very important to learn to be unreasonable. Because unless you are unreasonable, unless you are angry at what is happening, there will never be a transformation. And I think we need to build this campaign to get many, many more other unreasonable people with us. So it's very important for us to focus this on, to be learning to be angry about it. And I think that's a translation that takes place 6 months or 7 months down the line. You're going to have the assembly elections. And it is very, very pertinent, the experience of the Citizens Consensus candidate as far as Rodolfo was concerned. I think we are on very good grounds as far as the city of Mumbai is concerned, that we must bring up quite many citizens candidates in different parts of the assembly constituencies in Bombay to put that sense of fear in the political parties, that they will start listening to ordinary citizens. I think we need to work this out simultaneously as you part this campaign, because we have many, many good people here who could be our representatives in the assembly, and we need this type of people to make the right noises, as we call it, and listen to us. Can we work on that also? Can we have a voice vote on that also? Thank you. I think